Guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make egg dish. This you have eggs here in the bowl. As you can see, I have my eggs. I'm just going to whip them up like this with a chopstick, and you have to use a chopstick, otherwise it'll I just got a message on Discord now. But yeah, you have to use a chopstick because it'll taste better if you do it with a chopstick, because that's just how it works. And take it over here, and you want to mix it to a point where it's nice and smooth, so you can't really tell the difference between the whites and the yolks anymore, and all the things have this bit. As you can, while you're doing that, you also want to be heating up a pan. You can see I have fire on here. I'm just going to keep stirring this. And as you can see, the pan is nice and heated up. You want to add oil onto it. I'll do that in a second. Hang on. So keep stirring the eggs. I'm only using 3 because I'm only eating by myself today, but you can do more if you want, of course. And I think like the longer you stir it for, actually, the better it'll be. But because I'm lazy, I'm just gonna do this much for now. And then you take some oil, pan. This is how to do it. You get the oil and you tip it on the pan like this. So you can see I have some oil now on the pan, and you want to turn the heat down a little bit. Actually, this is probably too hot. I don't know what sort of heat I'm meant to be using, honestly. I'm just kind of doing whatever, but and then you tip the eggs on like that, and straight away you want to get a thing, which I forgot to do this before, and I can't. Oh god, right. Okay, I'll just use this one. This one actually, this one. And you want to kind of be stirring the eggs around so they don't get burnt. And so you want to make sure that nothing sticks to the pan for too long, because if it sticks at any point for too long, then it becomes burnt, and then that becomes a problem, right? But then after that, you kind of want to scoop up the eggs, and eggs cook really quickly. So just want to let them cook to a certain degree, and then you want to scoop them up and put them back into here. And I actually left some eggs in there, but that's okay, because we're going to be adding tomatoes now, and you want to be just tipping the eggs all the way back afterwards. So hang on. Just do this, and I just realized I probably can't send this over Instagram because the video file is going to be too big, but that's okay because I can use what's it called, YouTube. But yeah, now you have tomatoes. As you can see, diced tomatoes. You can cut tomatoes yourself if you want. I like the diced tomatoes. It's nice, and you just put them on the pan like that. I'm just going to use some more. I'm not sure how much I'm meant to do, but yeah. Now you can turn the heat a bit higher up, and I think you just let that sit for a little while. So maybe, you know, stir it around a little bit. I don't know if there's any point in doing it. Makes you get in the chef mood, you know, I guess. Ah! I spilled a lot of this, spilled some, as you can see, but that's okay. Thingy, I'll wipe it up. Ta-da! Just like that. And, yeah. So in it goes, and then, yeah. Stir it up a little, and then you can add the eggs, I guess, like this. Just tip the eggs in and get all of it in, and there you go. You just mix it up with the tomato, and this dish goes really well with rice. I really like it with rice, but I guess you could probably have it with bread as well. I've actually had it with bread before. It tastes really good as well. Oh my god, I'm getting like the tomato everywhere, honestly, but that's okay. Hang on. Like this. And then I'm not sure, you're meant to add some like salt and sugar. I'm not sure which one to add first, but you're meant to do that just as everything is about to be finished. So as you can see with this also, it's actually really quick. So it's really easy, quick and easy to make. All you really need is tomato, eggs, and salt and sugar. Hang on, this is more salt, which hopefully everyone has. Well, I think everyone probably has it. So here's the sugar, and I'm gonna add sugar first. Unscrew the lid. But yeah, just take a spoonful of sugar like this and sift it into the bowl, and then mix it up a little bit. I take a spoonful, well, not a spoonful of salt, but I take some salt. I have a salt shaker here, but actually I'm going to use this one and put the salt shaker back in here because I think this is better, but yeah. Add some salt like that. Maybe that was a bit much actually, I don't know. It should be okay. Stir it, mix it all in. And to make this taste better, you can do this in a wok, but I'm too lazy to get a wok right now. I just got like one of the flat pans, and so I'm just using that right now. I do have woks, but I'm too lazy to get them right now, but yeah. Put that back, and let's take a lid. I guess I'll just use this one, even though it's not the technical right lid for it. Any lid is fine, as long as it covers the thing, and as you can see, I just put it there, and just let it cook for a while. And maybe like a few minutes, I don't know. We could do something while it waits. It cooks actually, we can pack everything up, let's do that. Just put the sugar back, like this. Cap back on the olive oil. Put back into the shell. Tomato, this can go in the bin. I need to take out the rubbish. I didn't do that last night. Chopstick. This is actually a holy chopstick. I'm gonna just put it back to its holy land, holy dishwasher, and diced tomatoes. That's the one I didn't use. I was gonna use that originally, but then I forgot about it and took a new one. So this goes here. I'm probably not doing a good job of recording, but yeah, as you can see, I have some rice, which is yesterday's leftover rice. So I'm just gonna take that and put it in a bowl. God, that's loud. Yeah, hang on. Oh my god. Oh, I spilled some on the floor. Ah, this is hard to do with one hand, you see. But yeah. That's okay, that's okay. Now I take the rice, kind of mix it up like that. I was just throwing like the spilled rice onto the floor before, but this is actually probably too much rice for me to eat. So I'm gonna take a bit out. Take a bit with the spoon and put it back in, and I think this should be enough for me. So I'm gonna take egg and tomato, which should be about done and found. Now when you lift the lid, you get a really cool moment where the gas comes up, and oh, it's hard to like capture on screen, but it looks really cool. You feel like a professional chef. The gas is rising, but yeah, turn off the heat. I probably did the heat too big actually. Probably the heat was too large, but yeah. Take this, and oh my god, yeah, some stuff is a bit burnt, but that's okay. I'm sure it'll still taste good. And I guess, how do I do this? How do I film this? Because I need two hands to do this. I'm gonna put it up against here. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't. Hang on. Like this? Yeah, like this. Okay, cool. Does this work? Oh my god, why is it shaking? What is happening? Okay. Oh. Oops. Just dip it into the pan. Can you see that? Like that. Just like that. You have egg and tomato and rice. It's really easy to make. It's really yummy. I'm gonna eat it now. Oh. Like this. Ah,